AI agents are coming to manufacturing plants, unleashing factories with intelligence where machines can think, plan, and collaborate like never before. But first, let's cover two essential concepts: AI agents and MCP. What are AI agents? They represent the next step in artificial intelligence. Simply put, they are autonomous systems capable of independently doing complex tasks without needing detailed human instructions. AI agents can analyze situations, reason, and make decisions on their own, ensuring efficiency and accuracy in their actions. What is MCP? MCP stands for Model Context Protocol, which is a cutting-edge technology released by Anthropic in November 2024. Before moving forward with MCP, for a deeper technical dive, I recommend checking out this video by Greg Eisenberg. To quickly understand MCP, consider this simple evolution. For step 1, we have basic AI models like early ChatGPT that excelled at predicting text but couldn't interact with external resources like calendars or email. For step 2, we have enhanced AI models combined with specific tools like calendars or email. These, however, rely heavily on humans manually setting up these integrations, which limits flexibility. If you ask the model something outside its toolset, it just cannot do it. And finally, for step 3, we have MCP, the next evolution. MCP creates a universal, standardized way for AI models to effortlessly connect with numerous tools and services. In manufacturing specifically, these tools extend far beyond basic applications like calendars or weather APIs. Instead, they include sophisticated resources such as manufacturing drawings, best practice documentation, engineering knowledge bases, product catalogs, and comprehensive bill materials, among others. Think of MCP as a shared language, like English in the real world, enabling AI agents to seamlessly interact with diverse resources, similarly to speaking multiple languages such as Spanish, Italian, or French, but agreeing to communicate in English. It's also worth highlighting that MCP has rapidly evolved from an initial specification by Anthropic into a de facto industry connector, supported officially by major AI leaders like OpenAI, Google, Microsoft, and others. Now, stepping into manufacturing plants, machines like CNCs, industrial robots, forming machines, and many others already produce structured data through standard industrial protocols like OPC UA, MT Connect, and MQTT. And here's the magic. Within the MCP architecture are MCP servers, which are standardized platforms developed by either manufacturing companies, machine manufacturers, or even third-party innovators that enable AI agents to effortlessly access and utilize external data and tools. Think of these servers as universal connectors, empowering AI to seamlessly interact with machine data from established industrial protocols like the ones previously mentioned. At Twintivo, we've created sophisticated AI agents to analyze and interpret real-time factory data. The result is a smooth, protocol-agnostic bridge between factory equipment and autonomous decision-making inside manufacturing plants. To bring this home, let me show you exactly how this works. Imagine you're reviewing manufacturing line daily reports with details on machine performance, defects, and overall productivity. Using Twintivo's AI agent, you can quickly identify which machines have issues on any given day. For example, if CNC Lathe 03 experiences a problem, our AI agent instantly provides detailed insights, potential causes, and downtime details. Another scenario: you are a manufacturing manager and maintenance reports an issue with CNC 102. With Twintivo's solution, you can instantly access key details, what happened, how long the issue lasted, and how it was resolved, saving time and eliminating guesswork. In an industry often slowed down by manual record keeping and human errors, Twintivo is revolutionizing the manufacturing floor, empowering shop floor teams to tackle their daily challenges more effectively. If you found this useful and want to learn more, follow us in our socials linked in the description, or sign up to our newsletter in our website. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.